y'all, it's your girl Sass. I'm here doing a Ren is crazy, y'all have to excuse her. I'm here doing like a natural look. I'm not doing any eyeshadow. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my brows and how I prime my skin and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to make this tutorial real short. On top of that, I haven't done a tutorial in a while. I don't know what's been wrong with me. I've been tired, I've been working, and anywho, I'm here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my skin because I received a package from Influenster. They put my apartment number on the box. Anywho, it's from Joah. Let's see. Joah Beauty. So I got a little cute primer in this little bubble wrap. Hold up, let me pop it off. This is gonna be my first time trying this. So look, you see, I'm taking it out. And it's still closed. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, that is gonna work. Cause I ain't bring no scissors, so hopefully my skin likes it. I just exfoliated my face like earlier this morning, so that's why my skin looks real clear. Ren in the back watching Hocus Pocus, so. Okay, so I'm gonna take it. Let y'all know what it's hitting for. Take a water pump, okay. See. It's soft, okay. I like the smoothness of it. It's just gliding on my skin, okay. Just put it all over. Might have to put some more, so I got a big round face. I love it. I like the way it feels. Yeah, I like the way it feels. I might put another layer just to be on the safe side. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Yeah, so far I like the way it feels. It's not heavy on my skin. It's real soft. It doesn't feel greasy or oily. Yeah, okay. I like it so far. Yeah. And it's like, it's not giving me like a white tint over my face, so I like that too. Okay. So now I'm gonna use Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Can y'all see that? In shade 4.5. Oh damn, it's backwards. Anywho, I'm gonna line my bottom of my brow. Let me look in this mirror while I show y'all. I should have brushed my brow down, but I forgot. My bad. Can y'all see? Okay. And the good thing about doing your brows, y'all can correct them. Oh shit. Speaking of correct, y'all see what I did? My eyebrow look retarded. It's okay, y'all. After I carve them out and stuff, it always works out for my good. Oh, you see that? Ooh. Good thing carving out is a thing because it's a mess. I look like my eyebrows on bold. No italics. Anywho, so I'm going to take this little BH Cosmetics brush and I'm going to use Tarte and Medium Tan Neutral. I miss you too, Ren. I'm going to brush. Just going underneath. I need a mirror because this mirror is not working. Like, I'm looking down. I'm looking down and it's, I don't like. So right here, I'm just carving out my eyebrows, lining underneath my brow with some concealer, and I'm going to line the top with my Toofaced foundation, Born This Way, and Praline. This brush by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to carve out the top of my brow.
Are you so proud of me?
I'm very proud of you. Oh, y'all can't see. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm just carving up the top of my brow. I'm using my foundation shade so that way it doesn't look light around my eyebrows. So there's no like discoloration. I guess that's the word for it. But anyhow, yep, I'm using a BH Cosmetics dual brush to carve out the top. Bear with me. Oh, can y'all see that? Bear with me. And olay mist, comb mist, and I'm going to. So right here, I'm just taking my Morphe foundation brush, and I'm using Toofaced Born This Way foundation and praline on my skin. I forgot what I was gonna say. Anywho, yeah, that's what I did here. And now I'm using Tarte concealer. I believe this is in deep tan as my contour. And I'm using medium tan neutral as my highlight. And I'm just blending it out with the Sigma Beauty brush I have. And I really need a mirror so that like stands up by itself while I'm doing my makeup, so I'm not looking away from y'all. I feel unengaged. But this look is coming out hella cute though. Look at that. Skin glowing and stuff. Ooh. Blend it out, Sass. Blend it out. So right here, I'm taking this dermablend setting powder and banana, and I'm just putting it, you know, on the areas I want my makeup to be set at. I sprayed my brush a little bit with some priming mist, and then also right here, I'm taking a BH Cosmetics brush. I'm using Morphe bronzer and debutante to just add a little, you know, definition to my face, even though I contoured already. Right here, I'm highlighting with the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, highlighting my nose, chin, cheeks, and my forehead. Ooh, go, baby, go. This is the Honor Roll by the Crayon Case. I love it. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all I highlight under my brows too, just to give it, you know, a little cute glow, you know. And right here, I'm using a lip liner. I don't know what it's by, but it's like a mauve one. And I'm using also Morphe lip gloss. It's called Flower Crown. And I'm using this little, like, I don't know what to call that little toothpick looking brush to blend it out. Okay. Just blended my brows with a spoolie brush. And right here, I actually put glue on my lashes. And I was using my fan to dry it. So this is this awkward moment of silence right here. Ren is actually talking in the background. So I'm putting on this lash and oop, I know you lying. I was so mad. Morphe spray. Skindinavia. Who my fan? Fan. Oh, I didn't spray enough. And there we go, y'all. I'm Beyonce. I look like a snack. Hey, get it, hit it. Hit it, 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 hey, hey, hey. Boots this out, this out. Hit it, 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 hit it. Okay. So y'all tell me what y'all think of the look. I'm going to add the product details all in my commentary. Should I put eyeliner underneath? No, that might make me look too dark. But I'm going to add all the product details at the bottom in the comment section, and I'm going to add my Instagram so that way y'all can follow that, and goddamn, y'all can follow that and see what I use. Hold up, my child is spraying Lysol again, so I'm going to talk to y'all later. Love y'all.